Welcome. What I want to show you now is a problem I have with parametric modeling in my Fusion. So I have my masterpiece here. You see, it's just a plate with a hole and a chamfer on the two long sides. And I want to use it in an assembly, but I want to change the diameter for each instance I will insert. So what I do is to go to my assembly and drag and drop, or you have many ways to do it, but I drag and drop it here. So this is linked to the base piece, so its parent will update. Well, this will update. That's the way it works. If I put it here, well, okay. What now it's happening is that if I go to the master part, to the parent, I change something. For instance, I change some parametric, like this, a big hole. I did also a chamfer more, you know. I save it. I go to my assembly. In my assembly, I see that something to update. Well, like a shard. I have not them here. So my problem is I cannot change this. No, I can change this because so if I go to the parent one, I can change there, and all the instances here will update. If I want to insert something that has an individual diameter, I can do it. Yes, sure. I put it here, and I can okay. Even I can even put many of these here. 1, 2, 3. You can do it in many ways, like copy and paste or other ways. Doesn't matter. What does matter is that all the instances I put here are initially, at the beginning, they are linked to the original piece. But I can unlink them. Oh, sorry. I can unlink them, unlink, unlink, and unlink. So now they are unlinked. So what does it mean? Here in my parameters, I have 3 diameters, and I can change individually. 10, 8, 40. But, and here is the problem, but if I go to my parent one, say my colleagues tell me, no, it was an error to chamfer here on the long side. The chamfer would go to the short side. So I change it, I remove it from here, and I put here, here, and here. Okay, you see? And I make it more evident, so okay, so we see it. Well, now I save it. What I want is obvious. It's that all my plates here will update. Say, here is a message telling me to update, but only the 2 linked ones will update. These ones are not linked, so they don't update. So I have not a parametric piece, a parametric part that I can insert with different parameters more than once in my model. I can make copies, but if you make copies and you have hundreds of them, and then you have to change a little bit something, you will have to delete all of them and reinsert them, breaking all joints, all projections, you cannot do it. And you cannot change 100 of these, so you cannot make parametric parts. That's what I see. If you know that there is a way to do it, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's impossible. But if you know that we can do parametric parts, make parametric parts, just tell me. I will be really happy to discover this new feature, and I will share. Thank you for all.